In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix not all RAM is usable in your Windows 11. I'll walk you through how to fix it in few methods. So let's get started. You want to go ahead to your start menu and search for MS configuration. Then you will see system configuration. Go ahead and click on it, and now go to boot, and under boot go to advanced options. Go ahead and uncheck maximum memory and click OK. Now apply and OK. So now go ahead and restart your PC. Once it has restarted, go to the start menu and search for regedit, just like so, and run as administrator. Now you want to go ahead to the description of this video to copy this path. Then go ahead and copy it and go to this part and overwrite it. Then you paste and click on enter. Now here you want to go to memory management, and there clear page file at shutdown. Go ahead and set it to 1 and click OK. You can decide to uncheck all this. Okay, and cancel, close everything, and go ahead and restart your computer. Once you've done that, you should go to your settings and about, and this should be solved. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, do make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.